Oh, hello there, and thanks for joining Uncomplicated Math today. Today we're going to be looking at how to place a mixed number on a number line. And by the end of this video, you'll know the steps involved when placing a mixed number on a number line. So let's get started. So in question number 1, we're being asked to place the mixed number 2 and 1/4 on the number line provided. So looking over to the right-hand side here under our steps involved, we can see that our first step is to locate our whole number on the number line. And we can see here in our mixed number that our whole number is 2, so we're going to locate our 2 on our number line, which just happens to lie smack dab in the middle. Now we're going to move on to step number 2, where we're going to check the denominator. So we're going to check the value of the fractional part of our mixed number, because the value of the denominator is going to tell us how many equal parts we need to split up our number line into. So because we know that 2 and 1/4 is going to lie somewhere between 2 and 3, we need to split up our number line into 4 equal parts because our denominator is 4. So now we're going to move on to step number 3, which is to split up the number line. And we already know that we need to split it up into 4 equal parts. So we're going to split up our number line into 4 equal parts. Now we're going to label these parts. So we have the first one will be 1/4. Next will be 2/4, then 3/4, and lastly our 4/4 is going to be our next whole number, which is 3. So now we can move on to step number 4, which is to place our mixed number on the number line. So our mixed number is 2 and 1/4, so we're going to locate 2 and 1/4 on our number line and just put a big old circle right there to show that this is where 2 and 1/4 would be located on our number line. So now we're going to move on to question number 2, where we're being asked to put the mixed number 3 and 2/3 on the number line provided. So remembering our first step is to locate our whole number on the number line, which in this case happens to be 3. So we're going to locate the 3 on our number line because our mixed number is going to lie somewhere between 3 and 4. So now we're going to move on to step number 2 and check the denominator, because that's going to tell us how many equal parts this segment of the number line has to be split up into. And we can see that the denominator here happens to be 3. So for step number 3, we're going to split up our number line into 3 equal parts. And then next, we're going to label those parts. So our first part is 1/3, the second part is 2/3, and the last part, which is our next whole, is 3 parts. So now we're going to place our mixed number for step number 4. So our mixed number is 3 and 2/3. So we're going to locate 3 and 2/3 on our number line provided. And we're just going to put a big old circle here to show that this is where 3 and 2/3 will be located on this number line. So hopefully by now you understand the steps involved when placing a mixed number on a number line. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.